Hindustan Aeronautics has signed an MOU with Russia's UAC to produce the SJ-100 passenger jet in India. The Russian aerospace firm has been sanctioned. It was in fact sanctioned by the US in 2022. The arrangement gives HAL the rights to manufacture the aircraft for domestic customers. Madeeha Mujawar is here with more on this aircraft.
Well, the SJ-100, originally marketed as the Sukhoi Superjet 100, is a twin-engine, single-aisle regional jet, smaller than the narrow-body Airbus and Boeing planes that we travel in. It typically seats about 87 to 98 passengers and in denser layouts can carry up to 100 passengers as well. It first flew in May 2008 and entered commercial service in the early 2010s. SJ-100 never became a global bestseller. Estimates vary, but roughly 125 aircraft, only 125 aircraft have been in service as of today, with the total production reported at a little over 200 planes, just 200 planes. Today, the most active operators are only Russian carriers. According to available fleet data, Rossiya is the largest operator with 61 planes in service and 14 grounded. Red Wings flies 19 SJ-100s, Azimuth has 18, Yamal Airlines around 10, IR Aero around 6 SJ-100s, and Gazpromavia Airlines has 5 SJ-100s, and Yakutia has 2. Several of these planes bought by these airlines are also grounded for different reasons. Now, the small fleet size and concentration only with Russian operators limits resale and leasing appeal. That's the commercial reality today. The program's reputation was also dented by high-profile accidents. The SJ-100 has been involved in 3 fatal accidents, killing 89 people. Most notable was the 2012 Mount Salak crash, which was a demonstration flight in which all 37 passengers and 8 crew members on board were killed. There are also long-standing operator complaints about spares and maintenance support. Those issues reduce the overseas sales and left the type, the SJ-100, with a limited international footprint. The MOU now with Russia's UAC and HAL aims to give India the option to produce a ready regional jet for a large domestic short-haul market. For example, routes under the UDAN regional connectivity scheme. The argument in favor is simple: quicker access to an off-the-shelf regional aircraft, potential jobs, technology transfer, and new MRO capacity. Now, HAL's experience with licensed production of Russian military types also strengthens the industrial case here for HAL. On the flip side, however, the SJ-100's small global fleet, past reliability issues and after-sales issues, and the post-2022 Russification of components raise questions about certification, part supply, and export markets. Because pre-2021, the Superjet was built with many Western components, including the engine. After Russia's invasion of Ukraine, those Western companies terminated the contract. Russian industry announced an accelerated import substitution program to replace the Western systems. And March 17, 2025 was the maiden flight of an SJ-100 fitted with the new Russian engine. So to conclude, we don't know if HAL has any confirmed orders from any airlines to buy this jet, the SJ-100. Which variant of SJ-100 will HAL build? That is also a question. The original with the Western components or the one with the Russian engines? And how HAL plans the global certification given the company, the UAC, under Western sanctions? That also is a major question.
All right. Thank you, Madeeha, for that comprehensive explanation. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of India Business Hour. Thank you for watching.